And that's the bottom line. Because what you see influences who you are. What you see influences what you do. And even if you decide, come heaven or come hell or high water, I am not going to do what I saw. The effort that it takes for you not to do what you've seen is Herculean. It's not impossible, but it's Herculean. Because I always say, you can turn a canoe and you can turn a cruise ship. They both turn. But one takes a whole lot more time. One takes a whole lot more effort. And one, if danger is really impending, doesn't have enough time to avoid the disaster, right? The Titanic, y'all know about that. Maybe it's not to do, even though cognitively you understand it, because it's wired in your DNA, because you've seen it for so long, it makes it hard and it makes it difficult to not do what you've seen or to undo it. Hence, this is where we need the common sense. We need good counsel, like this Tupos organization that you've connected yourself with. You need the word of God. You need another example to watch. So that means if you saw it wrong one way, you've got to find somebody quick in your circle who you can see and speak to. And even if you can't speak to them, you can keep your eyes on it so you can learn another way. So you can see a better way of how to do it so that you can try to unlearn some of the things that you have already seen. So what you've seen and what you've observed matters. And you have to be even more disciplined to do the opposite of what you've seen and what you've learned if it's not something that you already want.